Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're back again with another video. So yeah, so I have this palette here. I've had this palette forever and I've never used it. So it's the Tropical palette from Natasha Denona. So if you want to see, you know, what look we come out with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. You know, while you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe. You already know. Join the family and let's get right in. Okay, so we have a friend right here. Like, it's literally smack down in the middle. Like, it's so gross. So the palette looks like so. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in this palette. Man, I feel like I'm doing a lot of blue looks, but I'm Tiger Lily is calling my name, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put in Tiger Lily, and we're gonna put this on an E13 from Morphe. We're putting that. I'm just gonna put it on my order V. This palette, actually the color combination was not my favorite at all, but it was pretty inexpensive at Sephora when I got it. So I was like, oh, it's on sale. I think it was like 50% off, and it was during like Sephora VIB sales. So I got an extra 20% off. So I was like, okay, I'll take it. I'm gonna use this M513. I'm gonna go into this blue called Laguna, and I'm gonna use that to buff up, you know, the edges. And this is an M513 from Morphe. So this shadow is not gonna be the easiest to blend because it's actually like a shimmer, not that first blue that I put down. But this one is not a shimmer, this one is a matte. So it's gonna come down to the blending. I don't want to go too crazy high with this today. Okay. Now, I'm gonna put a green. This is an S4 from Morphe. And we're gonna go into Exotic, which is this shade right here, that kind of dark green. Okay, I'm gonna put this. And I'm just gonna blend this just to bring this down to the blue, so it like looks, you know, kind of seamless. Man, I wish I had another S4 brush, because that brush worked like perfect. But I don't. This might work. No. This is a T48 from Makeup Shack, and we're gonna go into this shade right here called Mint Frost, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corners. Kind of not really my inner corner. Ooh, this shade is not gonna show up. Okay, this shade did not come to play, so we're gonna have to, you know, mess with it a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter glue from NYX. That shit is not popping. She's almost looking like a peacock. Maybe that's what I was going for.
What? Huh? What?
Yeah, I actually really like how this came out. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna, you know, do that other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done, lashes on. If you're interested in what lashes I'm wearing, I'm obsessed with these lashes, the different styles, but they're from the company called Balm Extensions, and this one is styled Amaya. Just, you know. Okay, let's go ahead and prime the face. Let's prime the face, you know. To not to prime is a crime. Let's use some of my Torch in Soul, and I'm just putting like just a little bit. Okay, I don't know what foundation. Where is this foundation the other day? So this is my Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. This should be good, and I'm using my E6 brush from Morphe. This is another one of those foundations that doesn't have like a lot of coverage, so I need another blush. I'm gonna use my Love is the Foundation brush from It Cosmetics. This is like, this barely covered like anything. I'm gonna go back in with some more. This is actually not one of my favorite foundations, but I have it, so I'm gonna use it till I'm done with it, and I'm not gonna repurchase it. But you can literally still see all my freckles. And some people may like that, but I'm a full bit kind of girl, so, and nobody trying to have like, you know, freckles showing. It's right here. I want the freckles gone. I want it eliminated. And then I have this house on my forehead, or right here. I pluck my brows like every time right before I do my stuff, and then I always have like, you know, a whole ton of hair all over my face. And this is my Hourglass concealer. I'm gonna need like some of this to just cover this pimple. Let's cut up it. Cut up. And that's my black Purple Stick foundation. Oh, I had this. And I'm gonna use my E34 from Morphe to just blend this. Try not to bring this too low, because when it's too low I feel like it's just, it kind of sinks my face, so you just want to top it up. Let's go ahead and blend out my concealer. I'm going to use my G38 from Morphe. Just turn that in. This is like, this got dry really far. Okay. Let's set under the eye, and I'm just gonna use my, you know, black purple powder. Press that into the skin so it's like nice and matte. Okay. Now let's set the rest of the face, and to set my face, and to, I always like stumble for some reason to set my face. I'm not gonna use that, I can't find my brush. I'm gonna use my 50 brush from Sephora with my Micro Smooth powder. I feel like I need to buy another powder before I travel. Let's put a little bit under the eye or in the waterline. And I'm putting this on my M250 from Morphe. So I'm pretty much gonna mimic what I did on the top and the bottom. I feel like I may need just a little bit more powder under my eyes because that blue, I had some fallout from that blue. So I'm just gonna take like a ton of powder and I'm just gonna leave it there. Just gonna leave it right there, and then we're gonna move on to or mosey on to back to the palette. Same thing, we're just gonna do this shade, this shade, and this shade. Here we go. This eye, like every day I want to be like watering this eye. Now we're gonna go into the green. Now we need to dust this off. Okay, so I have a bronzer from Morphe, not Morphe, Juvia's Place that I want to try. Actually, I have two shades. One is the medium and the tan. So I feel like I'm gonna go in with the medium first. Now I'm gonna go into the really dark shade. I think I'm gonna just do this shade right here, and I'm just gonna pass it. I want to take a little brush. This will work perfect. This is an R14 from Morphe. And this I'm just putting right in here. Let's give the nose a little contouring. Okay, and I actually used this brush yesterday and I love it. This shade. As soon as I can find a brush. Ooh, that's a lot. So in my waterline, I'm gonna put, which shade is this? This is also from Juvia's Place, and then this one is the, which shade? Something. Oh, Midnight Blue. We're almost done. And then for my lip, I'm gonna use Hot Tea from Jaclyn Hill's lips, cosmetics. I didn't get any of her lip product. Well, like actual lipstick. I'm scared. But this is nice and creamy. I love it. And let's just put like a kind of a gloss lipstick thing from Pat McGrath. I don't know if I want this shade. This shade is like quite red. I want something kind of more nude. This one is even more pink. Oh my god. I had like a really nude one. If I can't find it, I'll just wear like, actually, you know what? Let's use this from Oma Beauty. It's Complicated Lip Tint and Oil, and this one is in shade Softy. Cause I feel the other ones, these are like, this is pretty much like my lip color. This does not have a lot going on, but it is what it is. It's all good. We don't always need, you know, a crazy lip. I'm gonna use my MAC, what's it, Flair for the Dramatics. And my ABH brush, and let's dust out the powder. I don't even have an earring here. We can use this. Let me use my huge hoops. I am trying to find something for my hair. Let's just put my little, you know, this is like my go-to hairband. Because I always have it like hanging up here. So just in case, you know, if I need a backup. I always got a backup, you know. Yeah, this is like, you know, my messy bun situation. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. I had fun. I mean, Natasha Denona palettes, like they're so good. Like, you know. So kind of knew this was gonna be great. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, join the family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.